Oh, we were gonna throw the camshaft in. My buddy that I've been saying's coming over just called me. Decided to take a bike that's been sitting for, what did he move, 5-6 years ago? Sitting in his parents' garage forever. Fired it up, ran fine. Halfway here, so he's broken down. Time to jump in the rescue truck. All the way from Utah and California, and still broken down on the side of the road. Yeah, we'll help him out. It's a cool bike. I forgot about this one.
She's a beaut, Clark.
Just broken?
I just neglect. I've never done anything with it.
You haven't touched it in how long?
10 years.
Alright, we're gonna get this loaded up.
People love it.
Old truck, breakdown rescue. And look at this Yamaha. Good view. We'll get this thing fixed at the house. Welcome back to Illinois. Take a look at this gem up close. I'm talking about him, not the bike. What is it?
1975 Yamaha 200 RD, the racing development bike.
Yeah.
Two-stroke.
Two-stroke,
Oil
205 speed? Any idea? How many gears does it have?
It's 5-speed. She's for sale.
Fine specimen.
She's mint.
Up for grabs. We're, yeah, buy it in Illinois, so he doesn't have to bring it back to Utah. Carbs on this and some spark plugs, and then I don't know what else. Mess with that. Time lapse it. Enjoy. clean on this thing.
Yeah,
Never
it's-
been done
like,
since
let's
it's been
say
owned.
You have something happen and someone needs ice.
See if
like,
this
in
thing
case of
starts up, then do a
emergency.
quick carb
Who
tune.
cares? Legal. He wanted
Put that gas
paperwork
on,
signed.
sir.
I was
There
like,
you go.
why? And he goes, I don't have room in my house for it.
Oh.
And I was like, oh my
Oh.
God, he wants me to sign legal paper. He wants to keep tubs in my house. He's gonna fucking murder me. And he's gonna steal my house and use my
Oh my God, it's so
paperwork.
quiet.
That's so quiet.
Hold on.
And
Oh, we should have changed the plug.
you're still listening, right?
I'm
'Cause
listening.
I don't want to stop telling the story.
Keep it going, girl.
John already knows. They already know. They've heard it 1,000 times.
Did a carb clean on this thing, slapped it all back together, got everything going now.
Yeah.
It is a two-stroke, so we're gonna swap the
Takes
plugs
an
out
algorithm
real
to find
quick.
people
Battery is plugged in
like
and
their
hooked up.
friends and who you have in
It's a
common.
slow charger.
Besides
That's
having
not gonna do
in common.
shit, but we're gonna try it anyway. Let it sit for a minute. We'll throw fresh plugs in it. Gas is working. It sputtered around a little bit, so pretty close.
We'll see how it goes. Brand-
Two strokes, spark plugs, way more important than regular four
So much
strokes.
better.
But
I
here's
shot
what we're
some
looking at.
Seafoam, Put new spark plugs, changed the oil,
Focus.
and I was like,
Super
wow.
black on this one. That one's fouled out.
Wow.
This one's got some browning to it. It's definitely on the darker side. That's fine. This one,
I'm sorry, I'm so talkative now. It's
super
that-
black, super wet. Not what you want, especially on a
I'm gonna start
two-stroke.
a podcast.
Hit those ones with a map gas torch and put the old ones back in. Gas is still on. You should be good. No leaks. No puddles. That's good.
Run. On.
Start.
This is it.
Off.
Feeling it.
Horn works.
Make sure.
That sounds good.
Whoa!
That's good.
I was gonna save you. Did you see that? I was like, don't worry, John, I'll catch you.
So that's like bone stock settings on the cars too. We can tweak that.
It's so quiet.
No choke too, right?
No.
Exactly what's going on. Oh.
Wait, let me pull this thing and then make it stop.
I got metric tools on my tool bench now. But whatever.
Totally kick his ass.
Sounds good.
Alright.
Clean up some stuff and then we're back to Ford stuff. Quick little hiatus. Hope you guys didn't mind that, but that's a cool bike. I kind of want to buy it. He doesn't want to bring it back to Utah, so might have to happen. Got the Yamaha back together. My parents showed up, so we're kind of doing a biker party with mom and dad. Why not? And they're playing around with the carb now. Got it running. It's not missing it anymore, but it is not full hitting, so it's slow. It's sluggish. I just took the iron head out. Got the Sporty out there. That one's ripping, but his should be faster than it is. So now we're gonna readjust some air boots that one of them I put on wrong. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We will catch you guys on the next one.